How to turn on roaming on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Cellular as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Go to Cellular Data Options. Here, turn on the data roaming feature at the top. Data roaming allows your mobile device to connect to the internet and use data services while outside your home network's coverage area, typically when traveling internationally. However, data roaming usually comes with extra charges, so it's important to be aware of the costs and manage your usage accordingly. Following these steps, you can easily turn on roaming on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.